How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make fake blocks in Geometry Dash. So to get started, let's go ahead and make this, or let's place this blocks right here that will prevent my player from moving forward, as you can see. And now to make this blocks fake, I'm going to first select them all by holding Shift on my keyboard. Let's click on Edit Object, and I guess it's inside the edit group option. So it's going to be this extra button that you can see beside the group setting. And then in here, you just want to make sure to enable the no touch button. So with this one, it will actually disable the touch functionality for your blocks. And so if we actually pass through them, it will serve as a fake block, or it will just serve as a fake obstacle right here. And so that's how easy it is to do this. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.